Hello and welcome, this is Chili Cube. I'm actually using this is paint that I had scraped from, or not scraped, left over from another pour that I scraped back up into the cup and used the base colour because there was sort of so much over the sides. So I thought, well, it's black, and so what better colour to try and up my techniques with this Amsterdam pearlescent is to see if you can do with the Amsterdam pearlescent balloon kisses, which are my signature sort of favourite thing to do, I guess. So I'm actually going to use the Amsterdam pearlescents and do some balloon kissing. So coating my canvas, and apparently you've got to have a nice good thick base for these, and especially I'm told a darker base because the pearlescent will dry on top of the dark base and show even better. So I'm just going to try it and we'll see how we go. So I'm just pouring the different pearlescents willy-nilly over the canvas. Of course they all look the same at this point in time, and it's not till the canvas is fully dry that you can actually see what colours you've got on there. So they are a bit sort of hit and miss unless you really keep track of the colours that you're layering. So here we go, a balloon kiss on pearlescent acrylics. I'm deciding that I'll just whiz over with the heat wand. The heat wand doesn't blow the paint anywhere, it just bursts any air bubbles in the paint, and hopefully it may give it a nicer result.
Letting go.
At this point in time, the balloon kisses are definitely kind of getting a bit lost in that black, I think, but I'm just going to plug on because it is a test to see if it will happen. Maybe I could have done my pearlescent paints thicker and the background maybe not as thick, but we plug on and see what we get.
Just tell me and be honest. Tell me, did you know that you would be leaving me just like the winter snow? Tell me and be honest. Tell me, should have known that you'd be leaving me so painfully quiet.
I'm thinking that it doesn't look exactly thrilling at this point, but I'm quite thinking that when it dries those colours will all show through with the pearlescents. But it's definitely a trial and error thing. So I'm just really going for it all over the canvas because I'm interested to see the colours dry, because they're definitely usually a really big surprise once they're dry. I've just gone mad on there, and I'm just going to hit it with the dryer to burst any air bubbles, and it actually helps the paint absorb into the canvas. And we will see what we get from this test and how it dries, and I can tell you it dried a lot different to what you're looking at now. So there are the dried results, and of course I used a bit of a comb in there as well on some of the paint that I poured after I used a comb, and it's kind of made it like a spine effect. but I'm thinking now maybe this might be a really nice idea to do on a black background some feathers with a comb, so you get the different coloured feathers in the pearlescent. So it's just another thing I'll consider doing on another video. But what do you guys think? Not too bad. Balloon kisses, they were not too bad.
Let me tell you everything I've seen, the friends I've made, and then you tell me how you've been. Look a little closer, it's been quite some time. You gotta let me know if I'm out of line. But there's some words that I just wanna hear you say, put it all straight before this night turns into day, and then I'm on my way. Yeah. Yes, I'm on my way. A bit naive and so eager to please. You know I played for love, but it got me on my knees. Now's the time to reap what I've sown. Your words echoing in every single bone. Underwater, so far out at sea, there's no cure for what you're telling me, and soon I'm on my way. Yes, I'm on my way. I'm on my way.